Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we love sharing fantastic tips for a healthier and happier life. Today, we're diving into the world of teeth whitening home remedies, unlocking the power of nature to give you a dazzling smile without breaking the bank or using harsh chemicals. If you've been dreaming of a brighter, more confident smile, stick around as we unveil these amazing secrets. Number 1. The science behind teeth discoloration. Before we dive into these incredible remedies, let's understand why our teeth lose their shine. Stains and discoloration can result from various factors like coffee, tea, smoking, and poor oral hygiene. These stains settle on the enamel, causing a lackluster appearance. But fear not, nature has our back. Number 2. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide magic. Our first remedy involves the dynamic duo of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda's gentle abrasiveness helps scrub away stains, while hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural bleaching agent. Mix a small amount of each to create a paste, brush your teeth gently, and witness the magic unfold. Number 3. Activated charcoal efficacy. Activated charcoal might seem counterintuitive, but its porous structure is fantastic for absorbing toxins and stains. Dip a damp toothbrush into the charcoal powder, brush for a couple of minutes, then rinse. It's like a detox for your teeth. Number 4. Enchanting strawberry and baking soda blend. Nature's candy, strawberries, contain malic acid which works wonders on stains. Mash up a strawberry and mix it with baking soda to create a paste. Gently massage it onto your teeth, leave for a few minutes, and voila! A tasty route to a brighter smile. Number 5. The wonders of coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily can help remove stains and promote gum health. Its lauric acid fights bacteria, leaving you with a healthier mouth. Number 6. Citrus peels for a zesty smile. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons contain natural acids that act as natural bleaching agents. Rub the inner part of the peel on your teeth for a couple of minutes, but remember, don't overdo it, as excessive acid exposure can harm enamel. Number 7. Mesmerizing power of turmeric paste. Turmeric, known for its health benefits, also possesses teeth whitening properties. Create a paste with turmeric and water, apply it to your teeth, leave it for a few minutes, and then rinse. Your teeth might be temporarily yellow, but a follow-up brushing will reveal their newfound brightness. Number 8. Say cheese with cheese. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Cheese contains minerals like calcium that strengthen enamel. It also encourages saliva production, which helps maintain a healthy pH level in your mouth. Munching on cheese after meals can assist in preventing stains. Number 9. Holy Basil's dental delight. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, has antimicrobial properties that combat oral bacteria and plaque buildup. Crush a few leaves and use the paste as toothpaste or rub the leaves directly on your teeth for a refreshing whitening effect. Number 10. Brushing with apples and carrots. Apples and carrots are like nature's toothbrushes. Their crunchy texture stimulates saliva production and helps scrub away surface stains. Munching on these treats can contribute to a cleaner, brighter smile. Number 11. Adieu to stains with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, but did you know its gel can also help remove stains? Apply aloe vera gel to your teeth and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing. Your teeth will thank you for this refreshing treatment. Number 12. The secret elixir green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which can prevent plaque formation and help maintain a bright smile. Brewing and sipping on green tea not only benefits your overall health, but also contributes to your dental hygiene. Number 13. Maintaining brilliance with good habits. While these remedies work wonders, maintaining good oral hygiene is key. Brushing twice a day, flossing, and regular dental checkups are essential to keep your smile sparkling. Combine these habits with our natural remedies for the best results. Number 14. Patience and consistency pay off. Remember, these remedies provide gradual results. Don't expect an overnight transformation. Patience and consistency are your allies on this journey to a brighter smile. Embrace these natural solutions, and you'll be flashing your pearly whites confidently in no time. Number 15. Celebrate your new smile. Congratulations, you've unlocked the secrets to a naturally radiant smile. By incorporating these remedies into your routine, you're not just brightening your teeth, but also embracing the beauty of nature's gifts. Smile wide, laugh often, and share your newfound wisdom with friends and family. Conclusion. As we wrap up this enlightening journey, remember that Mother Nature has bestowed upon us a treasure trove of remedies for a dazzling smile. Say goodbye to expensive treatments and chemical-laden products, and say hello to a more natural, vibrant you. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep smiling. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. Stay tuned for our next adventure together. Take care and keep shining. Bye for now.